Hey guys, so today we are going to make our color mini map. So we've been practicing how to use a map grid and how to find things with the map grid and how to place things with the map grid. So today we are going to color in these boxes so it shows that we know each square or each cell is what they're called, each spot on our map grid. Okay, so Miss Horton, this is exactly what you guys have. Miss Horton is going to do this side. Let me show you. Miss Horton's going to do this side over here, okay? And they look the exact same, but Miss Horton's going to do this side. This is the left side. Okay, so we are going to start with reading off our color key. And we need to make our map. So here's our color key. A1 is red. Okay, so I'm going to get my red crayon out. I'm going to use my marker on my computer. And I'm going to color in A1. So I need to go to column A and go all the way down to row 1. This box right here is column A, row 1. So I'm going to color in a little bit here. Column A and row 1 is red. Now, let's move on to the next one. It says A2 is yellow. So I need to get my yellow. And I'm going to go to column 2 and row 2. So here's my column A. I'm going to go down till I get to row 2. Row 2. So column A, row 2. I'm going to color this one in yellow. Okay, the next one says A3 equals pink. I'm going to get my pink. I'm going to try to get as pink as possible. Okay, it's as pink as I can get. So it says A3 is pink. So I'm going to go to column A. I'm going to go down till I get to row 3. Here's row 3. So this is A3. Color this one in. Okay, let's move on to the next one. B1 equals orange. Okay, so I'm going to get my orange crayon. B1 equals orange. Right here's B1. Miss Horton went ahead and colored it so I could talk to you about it real quick. So I went ahead and colored it because I knew that I was going to column B and I was going to row 1. So if I had this one that's orange and I ask you, boys and girls, which box is orange? You wouldn't point to one or you wouldn't yell out, oh, it's this one, Miss Horton. You could tell me, Miss Horton, the orange box is in column B and row 1. So you would say B1. Remember, we say the letter first. Okay, let's read on to the next one. B2 is black. Don't think that I have a little black on here. That's okay. Miss Horton's got one of these. Turn this off. Here we go. Miss Horton will use her computer to do it. Oops, I need to go down. Okay. Okay, Miss Horton couldn't find a black on here, but that's okay. We're going to keep going. So B2 is black. I need to go to column B and get to row 2. Here is row 2, and this is column B. Miss Horton's going to write a big B in here for black. But you have crayons, so make sure that you color in this one black, okay? All right. You have one that is very similar to Miss Horton's. I have done a few of them for you. Now I want you to do the rest of them, okay? So remember that these are columns, these are rows, And we always look at our letter first. Now for B3, it says gray. If you don't have a gray crayon, that's okay. Just color with your black crayon very, very lightly, and that'll kind of give you a gray color. Just don't push your crayon down, and it'll give you a gray color. All right, friends, remember we used these mini maps that look like our map grids to help us find things on a map. It kind of gives us a relative location for something, and we use maps to get us from one place to another. Now, tomorrow we have a super fun activity, so make sure that you review about what map grids are and what a map does and how it helps us. All right, friends, Miss Horton will talk to you later. Bye.